Hello again. We are here for the 8th week of our fiber gifts this year. So I've read something really exciting in this box. This is something we've never really done before. We've done multiple fibers before, but we've never done anything quite like this. This is a conservation breed bundle, which is really exciting. So we have Devon, Dorset, Welsh, and Manx, and it's just a beautiful array of colors, which I love. But it's also conservation breeds, which we love. That's great. So again, something we've never really done before. There's lots of interesting different qualities about each one of these wools from each other, but also from the typical wools that you'll see, merinos and Corriedales and things like that. These are a little bit different. This is a little bit, for example, the Devon is a little bit crunchy, which is fine, and it totally has its uses, but it's just a touch different from what you're probably used to seeing, which is really cool. So this bundle is actually going to be 50% off of regular price. Normally it's around $50. This is going to be 50% off, which is also really exciting. So you get a lot of wool for that amount. It's going to be going on sale on December 2nd. So if you are interested in checking out some of these beautiful wools, check that out. We'll see you there.